Are you a beginner or an expert designer looking for an easier way to create amazing t-shirt designs? I'll show you how AI technology can help bring your ideas to life fast and efficiently. I've been doing print on demand for over 6 years now, and I've generated over $1 million in sales all time.
All right, so I came over here and used a cool little tool called Perplexity AI, okay? I asked it a question, help me with a t-shirt idea. Simple, straight to the point, right? And then here are some t-shirt design ideas to get you started. Okay, now it came up with this right here, all right? A funny, witty slogan that relates to your interest or personality. This would be really, really good. I could see this working. A bold graphic design featuring your favorite animal. One of my favorites to do right here, okay? Favorite animal, hobby, or sport. Now think of a funny saying for like an animal, right? And you have a bold design, and I see this working really well. A minimalist design with a simple but powerful message. This works really well. You've seen a ton of different t-shirts right here that have just went viral on the internet, and they just make, you know, you can tell that they're making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars by doing this. Vintage inspired design that pays homage to a bygone era. This has been, the vintage style has been going for years. So there's a lot of money, and it's like evergreen, right? Anything related around vintage is going to make thousands and thousands of dollars over the years. It's been a trend for years and years. A design that promotes a cause or charity that you care about. That's a little bit different. Like if you're building your brand, you're promoting something for, you know, a charity that you personally like, that would be a good idea too. Designs that incorporate your favorite song lyrics or movie quotes. Now this something right here you want to be very careful with, because you have to understand the rules when it comes to anything like that. So you want to make sure that you're in the clear when it comes to any of that. So design celebrate your hometown or state. Design showcasing your love for food or drink. This is a good one too. Okay. A design that features a pun or a play on words. This is a good one too. A design that incorporates your favorite color or pattern. Yes, I can see that working too as well. But I like this one right here. It catches my eye. So this tool right here is really cool, because I'm not sure if you see this, but this is grabbing like pretty much any current event that's going on right now. So right here, look at popular t-shirt designs for 2023. You can see how this works. Help me with the t-shirt idea. Now we're over here. Help me with the t-shirt design trends for 2023. And it's giving us 23 ideas right here. Tie-dye, hippie style, bold, typography all over, print, 3D effect. So it's going on and on and on. You kind of get the idea. And then we come in here too as well, how to create a tie-dye effect on a t-shirt, right? There's so much stuff right here. You can brainstorm with this tool. It's an amazing tool. But we're just going to go ahead and go with this. Animal, hobby, and sports. Top 10 animal designs for t-shirts. Sharks, jellyfish, birds, big cats, flamingos, penguins, bears, raccoons, right? I can see. I like that one. Right? The turtles, butterflies. Butterflies, cool. Yep. Turtles are dope too. Beatles. Okay. My thing is too, I'm just giving it, it's spitting ideas back out to me. That's what I want. I want ideas. So it's giving me ideas. We're going to take these ideas and come over to Mid Journey and see what we can create that we can actually put on a t-shirt design.
Have you ever wanted to start your own clothing brand? Did you know you can take a design and put it on over 100 different products, from t-shirts to a calendar to a backpack, and you can have it printed and shipped to the customer for you. You do not have to deal with no inventory or any printing equipment. It's a third-party company called Printify, and they help you find the best print provider in your area.
So we're inside of Mid Journey right now. Okay, we're gonna take the information that we got from Perplexity, right? Raccoons. Okay, and we'll take raccoons and we'll take a few of them. We'll do butterflies. And the first thing I'm thinking about is like, we want to create an amazing type of graphic, right? You can even just do a graphic. You can even do a play on words, whatever it is that you would like to do. But for the example, we're just going to create a graphic, and it's going to keep it very simple. And a lot of people get this confused. Like, think that you have to do some crazy prompt, right, to create something that's really cool. And you really don't. You really don't have to. So what I'm going to come on here, dash, hit imagine, say cute. Depends what type of design that you're creating too as well. So you have to keep that in mind. Cute raccoons playing in the trash. Okay. And then put sticker. You can, this is one thing, sticker or t-shirt design. So let's, for this example, let's say t-shirt design. Okay. T-shirt design. And then we'll do sticker too as well, to kind of compare them. And this is all about testing. At the end of the day, it's one switch of a word can make all the difference in your graphic. Okay, keep that in mind. So we'll go ahead and hit enter. Whatever, let me just go ahead and we'll just do that. We'll copy this one. Okay, and then we'll hit enter, and then we'll go ahead and create a second one with sticker, right? And the sticker. And one thing too is you can put like white background, black background, whatever you prefer. Just keep that in mind if you're doing something and you prefer a black background because you want to see how it looks on the black background. Do it. If you prefer a red background, do red background, and you can see it populating, which is really cool. This is my favorite thing to do, just to watch it, to see like what it's gonna come out with, and that's actually freaking really good ideas already that we're coming up with. Okay, these are all freaking cool. Every single, like, each one is cool. This one has 3. This one two raccoons. They're pretty freaking legit, huh? And you can upscale any of these, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or you can take, create a different variation of each one. So let's go ahead and, I actually hit those 2 on accident. That one, and you can see how fast it does it. Okay, and then, okay, those ones are done. That set's done. I accidentally hit this 2. I'm not sure how I did that, but we'll go ahead and just, I might as well just upscale those 2 as well. This one's a really cool one. You can see it's like some cute raccoons playing in there. These are all winning designs. We hit the jackpot. Boom. Like, they're clean, they're dope, they're awesome. And they're pretty much the same. Like, most of the time you can see they have a little bit of an outline. If you put sticker, you're going to have more of like a little bit of a background. You can see like this. If you look at that one right there, it has more of an outline to it for a sticker, which is really cool because you can use that just like that on a t-shirt if you like, but it's up to you how you want to like do your designs. But like on Redbubble, these will work really good for stickers. Amazon merch, these will work good on just t-shirt designs or any products like that. Those are clean, right? Now, when you upscale them, you're basically, making the image bigger, optimizing it as best as possible inside of Midjourney to give you that more detailed type of look. Okay, take a look at each one. Now let's come over here, edit out the background, and let's put it up on a product so you can see how it looks like on Amazon merch, or even plan on putting it on your own website, right? For example, you can use like a tool. Use like a print provider like Printify, right? And you can put a design up over there and they can print and ship to the customer for you. Now, I did the same thing with the butterflies. You can see butterflies flying in a garden, kind of just thinking of the actual niche. So butterflies, and then what is the butterfly doing? Flying in a garden, and then put sticker, t-shirt design, and this is what it came up with. So here's a sticker. They're pretty freaking cool, right? They're amazing. This is just crazy, right? And then the next one, t-shirt design. Like, look how clean that is. Now, this one just like so detailed. Like, how can you even do this? It's the power of AI. Amazing. And then you can upscale any of these 2 as well. All right, so I came over here to Pixelcut AI, and this is basically an AI image or image upscaler. Okay, so the one image on the left is 1024 pixels, and then the one on the right is 1920 by 1920 pixels. This one right here. Okay, so you can take a look, and it's basically supposed to enhance it more. The lines and stuff is supposed to be a little bit more detailed. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference by looking at it. Probably by zooming in a lot more, you'll be able to tell the difference more. By looking at it right here, I can tell a slightly difference. That can make all the difference in uploading a really awesome PNG. Most of the free ones that I looked at, they're downloading in JPEG. Okay, so this one right here, this website gives you the option to download in JPEG and PNG file. Okay, let me show you how I did that, and let's come over here to Pixelcut AI. We're gonna come over here, hit blank canvas. Okay, and then I'm gonna come over here to photos, and then come over to my photos, upload, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this butterfly one. Okay, I have the butterfly one right here, and then I'm gonna go right here to the left hand side. It says upscale image. Okay, as I upscale the image, you can 2x or 4x. Okay, and then if you do the 4x, it's gonna generate it. Now this one right here, this is the one. This is 1024 by 1024 pixels, and this is the upscaled one for Midjourney. So as you can see, okay, now it went ahead and did it for us. So if we zoom in, yeah, you can see, yeah, you can definitely see if you look at it compared to like the one, see a little bit of a difference. Okay, it's upscaled, right? I'm gonna hit done. As we hit done, it's gonna go ahead and do that, and let it load. Okay, it's loading. All right, we're good right there. Then we're gonna come over here, right hand corner, hit download. Now it says right here 1920, okay, by 1920, or you can do 2x and do 3040 by 3040. For this example, we'll just say 1x, okay, and then you can do JPEG or PNG, We want the PNG. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and hit download. All right. So we downloaded it and boom, you can see it, right? Nice and clean. Compare it to the other one. Yeah, you can see the difference with this one for sure. All right, the one on the right is the more enhanced one right here. You look at the flowers. If you look real closely at the flowers and you compare them, you can see the flowers are more detailed, the lines are more clean. All right, boom. All right, let's say you wanted to remove one of the images too as well. So we'll come over here to blank project and we'll upload. Let me grab the photo. Now, remember with like certain photos, it's a little bit hard for like, these programs to remove the background because there's so much going on. So keep that in mind when you're doing this. More of like a simple photo. For example, this right here, this is a little bit more like put together to where there's not a lot of detail going on. Now compare it to like the butterflies, right? So if I click on the butterflies, like there's a lot more going on here, right? So it'll be a little bit more harder to take out. I feel like some of these softwares, they get confused, like they're trying to take out the actual, the background for you, but then they get confused with certain parts of the image. Now this is more of like something like manual that you would have to do. Now compared to something like this, it's a little bit more easier. Obviously get the idea, you have to test it out yourself. So let's come over here to remove the background. Okay, left-hand side in this tool, it's gonna go ahead and remove the background for us. And it did a pretty good job from looking at it. You can erase some of the stuff in here, but so for this example, it did a really good job. I'm gonna hit done. Okay, and say I want to enhance it. Just kind of stretch it a little bit bigger, right? And then let's say that background. I'll just highlight the background too. I'm highlighting the the white background. I hit delete. It has a transparent background, and you can download it in the PNG. And then the same thing here is too as well. Just hit download. Boom. Now we can go ahead and take this image, and upload it to your platform of your choice. And let's go ahead and check it out. All right, now I'm over here on Printify. Now, Printify you can use to create your own website, start your own clothing brand. Okay, if you have an idea for a clothing brand, this is an awesome way. This is a print provider that prints and ships the products to your customer. And then you can also connect it to Etsy, and then you can connect it to Walmart, right? Even Amazon, you can leverage, customers off there to help you build your brand and get orders in and start getting that cash flow in, right? So let's come over here to T-shirts, and I'm gonna click this unisex one right here. So came over here to my product or catalog T-shirts. And then come over here to the unisex one. This is one of the best sellers. And then I'm going to come over here down here and click start designing. And remember too, you can pick so many different print providers that they offer down here. Okay, so different locations, and different ratings, different prices. So keep that in mind. Different colors. There's a ton that can be done right here. Look at that. Look at all that. Okay. And let's go back up, and it gives you more information, key information, care, instructions, size guide, and stuff like that. So let's go back up to the top right here. Let's go ahead and go with the first one, right? Okay, so it's cost $11.97 and then $5.19 to ship the product. Average production time 2.9 business days, and then front and back print areas. Okay, and then 6 sizes, so from small to extra large, and 11 different colors. So we're gonna hit start designing, and I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like. This one, let's say this one. Okay, the raccoon. I want to say flamingo, but the raccoon, the garbage can hanging out, right? And you can see you can come back here and edit this, right? And do a few things really cool back here. And then you can select a different color. Let's say black, right? We wanted it to look good on black. And you can see how clean it looks on the black. Okay, and then it has a little sizing thing in here too as well. So you can start messing with it. Let's put it up a little bit more. Let's say that right there. We're good right there. Okay. And then basically what you're going to do, and you can see you get a preview of it. Everything. You can see how it looks on a woman. You can see how it looks on a guy. All right, boom. Okay, pretty clean. And let's say you can have a dual mock-up. You got a woman and a guy wearing it. Check it out. All right. Then after that, you can save the product. You can publish it to wherever you want. Printify is really cool to doing all this, and this can be a whole completely different video. And I'll show you how to. If you check out this video up here, I'll show you how to connect to your own personal website, and how to get when the orders come in and stuff like that, and ship it to your customer. You can even order a sample order over here, and that way you can see how it looks on the actual T-shirt itself. And I'm gonna have my affiliate link down below for Printify, so go ahead and check that out. And then after you do all that, you can come over here to create order, right? And then select the one that you just did. Do the black. Let's say you want to order like a 2XL, you can order a 2XL. Then you go over to shipping, and then you fill all your information here, calculate shipping, and then you get a sample order in the mail. Okay. And I'm over here into Amazon Merch on Demand, And remember, each platform is going to be a little bit different when it comes to their template sizes. So remember that too. So if you're like uploading to like Redbubble, if you're uploading to Etsy, if you're uploading to Amazon merch, or if you're a Society 6, or whatever you're doing, okay, the templates are going to be a little bit different. So when you upload it over there, you may have to do some editing back in any type of like editing software that you're using. So for example, you can see how this looks. You can see, the template around the outline. It's pretty decent size on there. You can maybe scale it out just a little bit more to make it, get a little bit that full picture on there. But this is what it would look like, okay, if someone would order a shirt. It's actually a pretty clean, design, right? And I can see this being a really awesome sticker too as well. So something like this, really cool. The technology and the AI that we have right now is amazing and what it can create for us. But this is pretty legit. And as of right now, okay, when it comes to creating AI, that's okay. These AI images, it's okay to upload to these platforms. They have not said nothing about it.
If you want to learn how to connect Printify to your own website, watch this video right here.